There was a stiff elbow case. The patient was performed plate fixation for humerus distal fracture, and there was a range of motion 60 to 100 degree. We are gonna do posterior approach and minilateral approach, posteromedial release, and all implant removal. After that, olecranon fossa penetration by Otto-Bridge Kawasaki procedure, and maybe if we need anterior capsulectomy via lateral approach. At the finally, we achieved full extension and 135 degree flexion. It's enough for the patient. We have perfect